guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to play Rainbow Bap by Jaden. So for this song, to avoid all the bar chords and make it as accurate as possible, we need to capo up to the 4th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes the song super easy. For this song we have just one same thing going throughout the whole song, so therefore you don't have to worry about anything else. So capo 4th fret. Let's have a look at the chords. No need to worry about the structure. I told you before, it's the same thing. And in case you're wondering, the finger picking stuff is a lot hard, you can just strum the chords. So first chord is C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then the next chord is a G major, which is 3 2 open 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 3. Now for this song, we actually need to play the B string 3rd fret. So if you want, you can even omit that high E string. You can keep that mute, because we already get that E over here. You already get the G. So we got the G, we have the B, we got the D, we got the G, you got the D. So it doesn't matter if you just mute the high E string. 3 2 open open 3. Then you have an F major 1 3 3 2 1 1. We can just make it super easy. E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. Then D minor 7, which is mute mute open 2nd 1st 1st. Very nice chord. And then we have a G major 7. Now the G major 7 is actually a bar chord played like this, which is 3 5 3 4 3 3. But let's make that easy. We're just gonna play it like this, which is mute, which is E on the it's 3rd fret on the E string. With that index, the A string is actually muted. The D string is 3rd fret, where we get that 7 note, dominant 7, which gives us the sound, not dominant but major 7. And then we have the open G, open B, and ring finger 3rd fret of the high E string, G major 7. That's it. So we got all the chords. Now let's have a look at the chord progression. I just want to say that make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'm just working super hard, and I can actually guarantee you that this is the channel where you'll find everything with tablature, faster lessons out there, most accurate. You can check any other videos. I just promise you I will be helping out you the best. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and try to grow in this quarantine and all. So make sure to help me in that journey. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, drop me one of these, and let's get started. So chord progression, C major, then a G. Make sure you play the G like this, 3rd fret on the B string. Then a F, then a E minor, then a D minor 7. Again a D minor 7. Then a G major 7. So you can even strum the chords if you find the finger picking hard. So one thing is, it sounds like canon in D, and it's actually in E, but still it sounds like a lot like. So let's have a look at the finger picking pattern. Some basics: use my thumb for the E string, A string on the D string, index for the G string, middle finger for the B string, ring finger for the high E string. You can use any of your fingers, but this is the common finger style, like classical finger style follows this, so make sure you do that. So we hold the C major chord, we plug the high E string and the A string together, 3rd fret and open E. Then play the G string open, then the high E string open. So we got, and I want you to mute after playing the E with your pinky. So after playing each chord, the last note, you're just gonna get that muted somehow. Then you move on to the G major chord, hold that thing, 3 2 open open 3, high E string is muted. You don't need that. You plug the E string, top E string and the B string together, then the G string open, then 3rd fret on the B string. So I move on to the F major chord. You can just hold this shape, and your thumb can just be on the E string 1st fret. We again plug the E and the B string together, then the G string 2nd fret, then back to E string. Then back to B string 1st fret. So you got, you don't need to even hold that F major 7 7 also. You can just hold this back. That's okay. You move on to the E minor chord. You do the exact same thing which you did on the G and F. We plug the E and B together, then G string, then B string. So and then you move on to the D minor 7 chord. We just hold the D string, just hold the 2nd fret on the G string, and D string is open. We play the 2nd fret on the G string, then open D string, and then we play the G string 2nd fret twice. So we got, again play the D string open, then play second fret on G string again twice. After that, you just do a slide from 2 to 4 on the G string, and then you move on to the G major 7 chord. You have third fret on the D, third fret on the E. No need to have the third fret on the high E string, that's I told you before, for strumming the chords if you need it. What you're gonna do is just try to plug the E string, the D string and the B string together. Then play the G string open, then B string open, repeat that thing. And that's basically everything. So let me play that from the beginning. See, I mute everything after playing. Sorry. So go. One thing, when you play the G major 7, make sure you have the B string open. Everything is you can actually see in the tab, but still, just gonna tell you to avoid any confusion. Now, in case you just want to strum the chords, you can do that. Follow the same chord progression. Everything is same. Down, 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 down. So down. So I do down, 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 down. So 3 down, and that's almost everything you need for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to be one of these. Maybe I went a bit fast because I have to cover a lot of lessons. This Friday there was a lot of music, so I have to cover a lot of them. See you guys back in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.